Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Poshmark sellers, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Poshmark sellers, start by creating a Poshmark account. Once your account is set up, browse through listings to identify sellers whose items interest you. Take note of their usernames for future reference. Engage with sellers by liking their listings. This not only shows interest but also helps you stay updated on their new items. Share their listings to your Poshmark followers. This can encourage the seller to reciprocate the support. Follow the sellers whose items you admire. By following them, you'll receive updates on their activity. Consider sending a direct message to sellers. Be polite and express your interest in their items. Ask specific questions about the products to spark conversation. Join Poshmark parties related to your interests. These parties are great opportunities to meet other sellers. Participate actively by commenting and sharing in these events. Attend virtual events hosted by Poshmark. These gatherings often include networking opportunities with sellers. Keep an eye on social media platforms where sellers may promote their Poshmark closets. Engage with their posts to establish a connection beyond Poshmark. Follow up on conversations periodically to maintain the relationship. Be respectful of their time and privacy during your interactions. Utilize Poshmark's community features to get involved in discussions. Engaging with the community helps foster relationships with multiple sellers. Consider collaborating on promotional events if you build a rapport. Regularly check for new followers and engage with them too. Always approach each interaction with a positive and friendly attitude. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.